Today, I'm going to show you how to add customer notes on WooCommerce PDF Invoices using the Labels WordPress plugin. This is incredibly useful if you want to include personalized messages or important information directly on your customer invoices, making your communication more professional and comprehensive. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct WordPress account where your WooCommerce store is set up. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the Plugins repository where you can browse and install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. On the Plugins page, you'll see a vast selection of plugins available to enhance your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in WebToffee. From the search results that appear, look specifically for WebToffee Woocommerce PDF Invoices, packing slips, delivery notes, and shipping labels. This plugin is essential for customizing your invoice documents. Before installing, click on More Details to see a comprehensive overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you utilize it more effectively. Once you're comfortable with what the plugin offers, click on Install Now. The installation process might take a little while depending on your internet connection and server speed, so be patient and let it complete. Once the installation is finished, you'll see an Activate button appear. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. After activation, direct your attention back to the left navigation menu. You'll notice a new option has appeared called Invoice/Packing. This is the plugin we just installed. Click on it to access the plugin settings. To add customer notes on PDF invoices, click on Invoice from the available options. This will take you to the Invoice Settings page where you can control how your invoices appear. Under the Invoice Settings page, click on the Customize tab. This is where the magic happens. Look at the right side panel, which displays all the invoice fields you can customize and add to your templates. Scroll through the options until you find Customer Note. Simply toggle it on by clicking the switch. Once toggled on, click directly on the Customer Note field itself. A small customization window will appear at the bottom of your screen. Here you can adjust the font size and color to match your brand aesthetics or make the note more prominent. Once you've made your adjustments, scroll back up to the top of the page and click on Update Template. This saves all your changes and ensures that customer notes will now appear on your PDF invoices going forward. And that's it. You've successfully configured your WooCommerce store to display customer notes on PDF invoices, giving you better communication with your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.